Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna take y'all to my day job. I'm a hairstylist and I want you to take y'all to work with me, and today we're gonna do a top knot bun. So first I silk pressed her hair, then I use some beeswax in between each section of her hair. I use the honey wax from Ampro, and then I put some of this naked oil in there. And just to give it a good shine, sometimes we're using that spritz and stuff. You want to make sure it has a good shine. So I rubbed that all the way through, make sure it's completely covered. And then I grabbed my even spray because I'm going to use this adhesive spray to get her good and sleek and make sure it holds. So I'm taking tiny sections, spraying it all the way through until I sprayed her whole head and combed it up. And now I'm going to come through and spray her edges because, we got to get them good sleek edges. Yes, girl. She's a no baby hair kind of girl, so I definitely take my time and put a lot of tension on it right there just so we can get it nice, sleek, and shiny. Yes, so I'm just going to do that like all around her head until it's completely sleek. And now I'm going to come through and spray more because, I just want to make sure it holds. She said she has a really busy weekend with a lot of outside events. So I want to make sure I get it nice, right, and tight. Yes, girl. So I'm going to come through with my small comb after I've combed everything up and just spray more spray so that it can actually hold for my girl. Yes. So I'm going to come back around and make sure I blow dry all the spray and get it nice and tight. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm blow drying it up too so that it can stay. This client right here, she absolutely loves a ponytail. So I want to make sure it's right. She says it's homecoming weekend for her. So she's going to be outside all weekend. And she wanted a style that would last. All right. So I just came back around and did that on the other side. And now I combed that ponytail straight up. And I'm getting ready to add the braid hair with it. So I'm just going to wrap that around like in a ponytail. Just kind of wrap it around a few times. Yes. So what you want to do is make sure you get your braid hair in between. You're going to split the braid hair in half and then make sure you put the natural hair in between. I had to do this a couple of times because her natural hair is so long, it was kind of sticking out in between the braid hair. And so, yeah, I had to do this a few times to get it right. What you see me doing here is pulling out a piece of hair to wrap around. We like our wraparound piece. So it covers up everything. Same way we do for a sleek ponytail. So I'm just making sure I pull that out before I begin to wrap. And now that I have that situated, I'm going to comb her hair in between. I told you I had to do this a couple of times because, yeah. So now it's time for me to wrap. And I just twisted and wrapped all at the same time. And I took my adhesive spray and wrapped the bun around it. Yeah, to secure it. And voila. The twisting and wrapping, it worked really good. So I had to do this like 3 times to get it just right. And I love how it came out. We added some little weave pieces in the front to make it full. She's a girl that loves her 2 pieces. So yes, guys, this was my first time trying this. And I really like it on her. It's a cute outdoors look. Yes. So I always love a no filter look. But then again, we love a good filter. It's my first time trying it. You guys got to tell me how I did. Like, share, and subscribe.